Hello YouTube. I'm Ravi Rao from Tech Titans, and today we are going to learn how to make our own motion sensing alarm. Keep watching this video and I'll teach you how to make one for yourself within 5 minutes. Okay, so let's have a look at the construction of this project. After watching the complete video, you will be able to make your own motion sensing alarm. At the heart of our project is an Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno is a complete prototyping environment which runs on the AVR microcontroller. What basically Arduino does is that it collects all the data from the sensor and processes it according to our needs. We are going to make all the connections on a breadboard. You can see the ease with which we can plug all our electronic components on breadboard and make temporary connections. I could have used a PCB, but since I want to take out all the components after completing this project, I am using a breadboard for making temporary connections. So moving on, we are going to need a lot of jumper wires because we are going to make several connections between Arduino and sensors. We will be using LEDs as indicators. To make things look fancy, I am going to use an RGB LED. As you can see, this LED is different from the regular LED that I showed you earlier. It has 4 terminals. We can individually control the amount of red, green and blue light being emitted by this LED. This is the passive infrared sensor, or PIR for short. PIR sensor allows you to sense motion. PIR are basically made of pyroelectric sensor which can detect level of infrared radiation. Basically it can detect the movement of any hot or warm objects. Along with the pyroelectric sensor, there is a bunch of supporting circuitry. There are surface mounted resistors and ICs, capacitors, etc. Let us now connect this sensor to our Arduino. First pin is the VCC pin, which is going to be connected to our 5 volt on Arduino. Let us make this connection. Second one is our signal pin. We are going to perform an analog read from this signal pin. Third one is the ground. After making all these connections, we are ready to place this infrared sensor anywhere we want. Apart from these 3 pins, we have 2 knobs which are used to adjust sensitivity and time delay between 2 successive motions. After making all the necessary connections, our project will look something like this. Connecting PIR sensor with Arduino is fairly simple. We have made 3 connections: VCC, signal and ground. Whenever motion is detected by the infrared sensor, our RGB LEDs light up. Coding for RGB LED is somewhat different from regular LEDs, so I won't recommend it for beginners. Buzzer will simultaneously make a beeping sound. So this is our complete project. The source code for this project is available in the description box below. So guys, today we learned how to make a motion sensing alarm using a PIR and an Arduino Uno. If you have any queries, leave a comment and I'll try to solve as many queries as possible. This is Ravi Rao from Tech Titans, signing off.